Good morning, student. Today we will read civics, chapter 4, growing up boys and girls. That means the gender discrimination and the gender inequality. Okay, especially in our country, there is a gender discrimination and gender inequality. It is a problem as worldwide, but in our country, India, that is too much. Too much. Okay. तो जेंडर एंड आवर कंट्री इसमें हम देखेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेटेस्ट इवन जेंडर इक्वालिटी. ओके, माइंड दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेटेस्ट इवन जेंडर इक्वालिटी इंडेक्स, इंडिया हैज वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट जेंडर डिफरेंशियल्स. ओके, वर्स्ट, माइंड दैट, वर्स्ट जेंडर डिफरेंशियल्स in child mortality than any other country. Okay, यानी चाइल्ड मोर्टालिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम देखें तो हमारे यहाँ बहुत वर्स्ट कंडीशन है ना, इन कंपेरिजन ऑफ द अदर कंट्रीज. ओके, वी रैंक 132, यानी इंडिया का रैंक 132 है आउट ऑफ द 148 नेशन, यानी 148 नेशंस जो इवन का ये रिपोर्ट है ना. 148 स्टेट्स में इंडिया ऑक्युपाई द 132 पोजीशंस, which is worse than even, okay, mind that, even पाकिस्तान एंड बांग्लादेश, यानी पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश से भी हमारी दयनीय हालत है भारत का. द नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स अंडर 6 years हैज फॉलन इन द पास्ट 50 years. According to the 2011 census, there are now 919. Mind that, 919 girls to every 1,000 boys. Okay, against 976 in 1961. Okay, 1961 में ये कितना था? 976. Okay, जो गिर करके ना कितना हो गया? 919. In 2011 the India's the sex ratio fallen down 919 per thousand male child, यानी per thousand male child the number of female child 919 ना only according to the census 2011, whereas this was the 976 in 1961. Mind that, यानी 1961 में 976 था, जो कि 2011 में कितना हो गया? मात्र 919 है ना. और 2011 स्टडी इन द ब्रिटिश मेडिकल जर्नल लैंसेट फाउंड दैट 12 million Indian girls, mind that, 12 million Indian girls have been aborted ना in the last 3 decades, यानी इन तीन दशकों में. ओके, पिछले 3 दशकों में कितना? 12 मिलियन इंडियन गर्ल्स ना का एबॉर्शन हुआ था. माइंड दैट ना, यानी गर्भपात ना. गर्भपात, दैट मीन्स ये कहाँ का स्टडी है? द ब्रिटिश मेडिकल जर्नल है ना, लैंसेट फाउंड दैट. दिस इज द सच एंड सच स्टडी पब्लिश्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश मेडिकल जर्नल. ओके, मेडिकल जर्नल कहाँ का? ब्रिटिश का. ओके, वुमेन आर फ्रीक्वेंटली माल नॉरिश सिंस दे आर टिपिकली द लास्ट मेंबर्स ऑफ अ हाउस होल्ड टू ईट एंड द लास्ट टू रिसीव मेडिकल अटेंशन. ओके, महिलाएं माल नॉरिश्ड हैं. माल नॉरिश मतलब कुपोषित है ना, कुपोषण से ग्रस्त हैं, कुपोषण के शिकार हैं ना. They are typically the last member of a household to eat, and the last to receive medical attention. सबसे लास्ट में वो खाना खाती हैं परिवार में, और सबसे लास्ट में एट लास्ट उन्हें मेडिकल फैसिलिटी दी जाती है ना. यंग गर्ल्स डाई ड्यू टू द प्रिवेंटेबल डिजीजेज सच एज निमोनिया एंड डायरिया बिकॉज देयर male siblings are given preference when it comes to health care and nutrition. This is the such and such study. Okay, तो इसी सेंस में हम इस चैप्टर को आगे पढ़ेंगे, जेंडर एंड आवर इक्वलिटी, यानी किस तरह से जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी है. इन आवर कंट्री a male is usually preferred over a female. Okay, mind that women are treated in an inferior manner. Okay, at home and workplace both. ना चाहे वो घर हो या फिर वर्क है ना, काम करने का जगह हो, दोनों जगह they are treated inferior. Okay, this has given rise to a host of the problem concerning the health, financial status, education and political involvement of women. Girls are generally married, mind that. Girls are generally married young and they become young mothers. ना और समय से पहले ही वो माँ बन जाती है. They also shoulder all domestic responsibility and receive little schooling. ना सारे घर का बोझ उनके कंधों पर आ जाता है एंड रिसीव लिटिल स्कूलिंग, है ना. इसलिए उनका क्या होता है ना, बहुत लिटिल स्कूलिंग होता है, यानी लेस एडुकेटेड होती हैं, है ना. यानी जेंडर को क्लियर कर, ऑल्दो द वर्ड्स जेंडर एंड सेक्स बोथ इम्प्लाई द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग अ मेल और अ फीमेल. ओके, दे आर यूज्ड इन समवhat different ways. The term sex, okay, mind that the term sex refer to the biological and physiological characteristics that define men and women. Okay, gender refers to the social roles. Mind that. And there is a difference between the gender and sex. So now we are going to read about the gender. What is gender? Gender refers to the social roles. Okay, social roles, behaviors, activities and attributes that a particular society considers appropriate for men and women. Okay, so like that, the gender discrimination and gender inequality. Okay, women in India, women in the household. Okay, women in the household देखेंगे, women in India work inside as well as outside their homes. This is often referred to as double burden. Okay, double burden. ये क्या होता है double burden? The term is used in relation to the unpaid work. Okay, unpaid work. Mind that unpaid work done by women at home, even if they are working outside of the home. यहाँ तक कि वो बाहर भी काम करती हैं ना, आउटसाइड भी वर्क करती हैं, है ना, और घर में भी काम करती हैं. तो this is called the double burden. Okay, women in both urban and rural areas cook, wash clothes, clean their homes, take care of the children and their education, and tend to the elderly family member. Their work is physically demanding. Okay, apart from this, they work in fields, offices, schools, and other establishments. Men usually work only outside the home and do not participate in household chores. ना जो मेन है वो केवल बाहर काम करता है, घर में कोई काम नहीं करता. माइंड दैट. लेकिन जो महिलाएं हैं, है ना, वो अगर घर में तो काम करती ही हैं, लेकिन वो बाहर भी काम करती हैं और घर में भी काम करती हैं. Women are not paid for the work that they have to do at home. लेकिन वो महिलाएं जो घर में सारा जो काम करती हैं उसके लिए कोई पेमेंट नहीं होता, है ना. As such, it is devalued and invisible. ना devalued. Okay, devalued. तो उनका काम, उन महिलाओं का काम जो एट होम होता है वो क्या होता है, devalued. Devalued क्या होता है? When due recognition is not given to a person, task or job, to treat someone or something as if they are not important. Okay, domestic helpers are usually women. Okay, जनरली हम देखते हैं, है ना, कि जो डोमेस्टिक हेल्पर्स होते हैं जनरली महिलाएं होती हैं. इन टाउन्स एंड सिटीज अ लॉट ऑफ हाउस होल्ड वर्क इज डन बाई देम. ओके, दे आर underpaid and ill-treated. Underpaid है and ill-treated हैं. Their working hours are very long and their work involves a lot of physical labor. There are several laws like the Unorganized Workers Social Security Act 2008. Mind that, okay? Unorganized Workers Social Security Act 2008 and the Minimum Wages Act, which apply to domestic workers. However, there are no nationally applicable uniform laws that guarantee fair terms of employment and decent working condition for domestic workers. Okay. अब आगे जो हम देखेंगे वो है वुमेन इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस. वुमेन इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस, women face harassment. Mind that. Women face harassment, crime and violence in urban and rural areas of both developed and developing country. चाहे developed हो या फिर developing country हो, है ना? In both of the countries, okay? They live in constant fear of violence towards them in public spaces, especially in our country, है ना? In most cases of sexual violence, men blame women for their behavior. Some believe that women provoke men by the way they dress, and some believe that women moving around at night deserves to be sexually harassed. Okay, this has led to innumerable cases of eve, teaching, and other forms of sexual harassment and sexual assault, including rape and murder. Okay, rape and murder. Women do not find public space, including markets, crowded buses, bus stops, and railway platforms safe. वो ये public place पे वो safe नहीं है. This reduces their freedom of movement and female participation in schools, works, and public life. It limits their access to various services and cultural and leisure activities. It also has a negative impact on their physical and mental health. Very few laws have been made addressing these issues. Okay, ना इससे रिलेटेड बहुत कम लॉज बने हुए हैं. ओके, अब हम देखेंगे द लास्टली सम गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स, है ना? सम गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स, a separate ministry, the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Mind that there is a separate ministry for that. The name of that ministry is the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Deals with issues and schemes run for the betterment of women and girl child. Okay, first, the government runs Anganwadi centers in the villages across the country. These centers are government sponsored child care and mother care centers. Mind that they cater to children up to the age of 6 years. And the second, Article 42nd of the Indian Constitution gives equality to women in matters like public employment, participation in politics, and reservation of seats in panchayat and parliament. Okay, these have contributed to the empowerment of women. Okay, like that. But lastly, we can say that the literacy rates of states in India, according to census 2011, हमारे महिलाएं लिटरेसी में भी काफी पीछे हैं ना. जैसे केरला को देख लीजिए. केरला 2011 सेंसस के अनुसार केरला में टोटल कितना है? 94%, है ना? टोटल परसेंटेज, लिटरेट परसेंटेज द 94, men 96.11, but women 100. Okay, women 100. Okay, but Punjab, no, total 75. Okay, men 80 and women 62. Women 62. No, so this is the such and such. The Kerala is most of the literate state in our country. Okay, so this is the such and such information regarding this or the stereotype. Okay, stereotype की चर्चा हम करेंगे. stereotypes क्या है? Stereotypes means a fixed idea or image that people have of a particular type of a person or a thing, but which is often not true in reality. लेकिन true नहीं होता, वास्तविकता में वो सही नहीं होता है. For example, in India, the role of girls is to manage their family and home, okay, while the role of boys is to earn a living for their family, okay. Economically weaker section of the society often neglect the education of a girl, है ना. इकोनॉमिकली जो वीक है ना, वो गर्ल का एजुकेशन नेग्लेक्ट किया जाता है. A large number of young girls are forced to drop out from schools and are married early, है ना, और उसकी अर्ली मैरिज कर दी जाती है. Others who get the opportunity to continue their education are forced to choose subjects like home science. Mind that. The girl subject, home science, humanities, nursing and teaching, okay. Seldom do the girls get an opportunity to choose a subject or a career of their choice. Girls are rarely encouraged to become astronauts, pilots or investment bankers, है ना. ऐसा रेयरली ही उसको मोटिवेट किया जाता है ना, गर्ल्स को एस्ट्रोनॉट बनो, साइंटिस्ट बनो, मैथमेटिशियन बनो, है ना. नॉट लाइक दैट. They are taught and trained from a young age for the roles of future wives and homemakers, है ना, कि आपको भविष्य में तो यही करना है, हाउस को संभालना है, घर का देखभाल करना है. They are encouraged to help their mothers in household chores rather than to play and study, while boys are free to play and study, okay. So this is such and such information regarding this chapter, okay. If any confusion, any doubt, then you can raise them in next class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.